All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Ford Explorer. It is the limited edition all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive model. Beautiful black with black leather interior, third row seating, heated and cooling seats, navigation system, super nice. Only I don't know, what's it got, 22,000 miles, something like that? 24,000 miles on this truck. Super nice. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. The tire thread. Under 730 seconds. Let's double check that. Yep, under 730 seconds. It's got a scuffing here. About 3 inches on your flare. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger, rear driver's rim. I don't see any curbing on that. Your tire thread is just over 730 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. Cushion good, power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Oh man, my light just died. Does come with 2 key fob combos, or I'm sorry, 1 key fob combo and 1 like valet key. All right, obviously your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's working. You got your navigation system there, as you can see. It's got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls down below. It's got heating and cooling seats. Very nice. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You don't see any lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 24, if it focuses, 24,826, 24,826 miles. Got a little power button here that opens that. Of course, I show you the power windows, the memory seating, all that good stuff. Of course, this is what your rear passenger seat looks like. The holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Does have also heated rear seats and rear AC controls. Rear AC vents out running on top. Your third row looks fantabulous. Coming around, rear bumper with your sensors look great. Your trunk space look very nice. Of course, this here does fold. Boom. The entire thing on its own. Oops. I forgot to take these things down. Ugh. Alright, now we do it. There you go. And it does it together. You can do it together. You can do it separate. It's up to you. Alright. Booyah. Alright. A little power button up here. Closes the rear hatch. Oh. Look at your rear hatch, looks pretty good. Does have a dent right here. It's about 2 to 3 inches. No paint off, but it is there. Alright. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. I don't see any curbing there. Your tire thread looks over 730 seconds. Double checking it. Just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door, fabulous. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim does have some curbing here, about 2 inches. The rest of it is some dirt. Actually, yeah, curbing here is about 1 inch right there. Tire thread under 730 seconds, above 4. Looks good. I see I got fog lights. Let's see if they're working. Ooh, look how mean it looks. Ooh-wee. Looks fantabulous, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is a 2018. My camera's not focusing. All right, what we have here is a 2018 Ford Explorer limited all-wheel drive model with 24,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.